Hi guys, I welcome you back on my 3ds Max tutorial. So this is number 9. This is a continuation of 3ds Max tutorial actually. So we are still in a basic discussion actually. So in a previous video we discussed about the extended primitives, right? So now is the compound objects. So here you can see the compound objects. Okay, so compound objects is actually if I can say a very basic way, in a basic way, that compound objects is pretty advanced, and you can say it's quite complex also, but you can, if you know how to use them, you can create a very complex shape out of it. So yeah, so I just make some demonstration right away. So okay, let's say we are, okay, just go for, let's say we are taking a sphere. Okay, okay, make it 0 0 position 0 0. Okay, okay, now we have to, let's say, this box. Okay, position it like the parameter is 1 1 by 1, or you could say the 2 2 by 2. No, sorry, 1 by 1 by 1 should be okay. Yeah, okay, so let's say this one is here intersecting the object. Okay, let's say the other one is here intersecting an object, and this 2 is here. Okay, so, and also I'll have to go for this part. Okay, this type of uh, shape. Okay, so now this is intersecting the sphere. Okay, this is intersecting the sphere, is, I mean, the box is inside of the sphere. Okay, so let's pay attention, let's see how what compound objects does actually. So click on the sphere, go to the compound object. Okay, let's go for pro boolean, let's say. So we just use boolean and pro boolean, and also other things, not necessarily, I don't use much, but pro boolean and boolean is the must. Let's say the pro boolean, okay. So if I click, then it go for the intersect, and I start picking uh, oops, yeah, this one, this one, this one, this one. You see what happened? You see, so the box are cut out from the sphere, you see, and this kind of shape you just created from the from the shape. So yeah, this is an example of how what can the pro boolean can do. Okay, so you just have to go for the move option, and also let's say the boolean peak operand B, peak operand B, peak operand B, peak operand B, kind of this. Okay, okay, the same kind of same effect also. If you can, you know, let's say, okay, now is the box. Okay, so okay, select the box and then go for boolean, peak operand B. You see some sort of cutout. Okay, also the boolean start picking. So this kind of, you know, this kind of if you want to create this kind of, you know, complex shape, then you can use this you know, this compound object. Sometimes the compound object is necessary in a modeling process, so you have to know the basics about the cutting thing, that where to cut and how to cut. Okay, to create the shape. Remember one thing, that in a 3ds Max, although you have support of extended primitives, although you have support of you know, standard primitives, you have boxes and all that, but you in a modeling field, you have to create your own shapes. You have to create your own you know, model. So it maybe it is not in there. So in that case, I will show you again in a later with a real model, that how this compound objects work actually. So the basic part is, it's actually used for you know, for cutting intersecting shapes which is attached to one another, to, you know, to have that shape. Let's say again, again I just go for a sphere. Okay, let's say this part. Okay, this is a big sphere, so I have to cut the sphere. Okay, the sphere will be cut off from the box. So how can I do that? Click on that. Okay, go for, you know, go for compound objects, choose pro boolean, start picking, make sure the move option is selected, click on that. You see, move option, you see. So the sphere is cut out, and you know, the box is cut out. So you have this kind of complex shape. Sometimes in a modeling, this is very necessary, this is very important. So right now you have to know this, only these two options for now, this pro boolean and boolean. So I use mostly pro boolean. Boolean is kind of complex, but pro boolean is a quite you know, handy and quite simple. So I use, most of the time I use pro boolean. Okay, and also you have another options that you don't have to know about. I guess the handy part is this two only, and also the shape march and all that things. So you can go and have a look at it, but for now, the compound objects, this is the compound objects, but I will come again with, you know, with the real practical method, that how to use the compound objects in a modeling. So you will see me doing the compound modifier and a modeling process in the future. So stay with me and support me, guys. So thank you. So this is now the basic part. We finished the compound objects. So compound objects is pretty advanced. And then we have particle systems. So okay. Okay, bye for now.